You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
International moving insurance sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into clear, simple terms you can understand. When you move internationally, your shipment faces dozens of risks. Cracked glass from rough handling, water damage from ocean spray, theft at an international port, damage during custom inspections, or fires at shipping depots. Without the right insurance, any of these can leave you stranded with no recourse. At International Shipping, we offer two smart options. All risk insurance, full value protection. This will cover damage, theft, loss from your front door to your new doorstep and requires professional packing by our certified teams. Total loss insurance, which is budget friendly, only protects if your entire shipment is lost or destroyed, doesn't cover individual broken items, and is riskier for valuable household moves. Here's what's not covered. Items you pack yourself for all risk policies. Jewelry, cash, important documents, pre-existing damage, or ordinary delays without damage. It's important to note we don't just sell insurance. We customize it based on your move, your items, and your peace of mind, because every relocation deserves protection that's personal. In the next episode, we'll show you exactly how to qualify for full protection so your coverage works when you need it most. To learn more, go to our website or give us a call at 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.